Let's go! Another day, another Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting off today is Pokemon Ascending Heroes. And unfortunately, yesterday's video, I pulled a full art, not special edition art. So, unfortunate, but hey, it's a cool pull anyway. So if you missed it, go back and watch it. It's just another short. This day, starting off with Fighting Energy, Fenrotom, Ralts, Riolu, Velabi, Dick Scale, Camerupt, Crocodile, Reverse Hollow Ghastly, Reverse Hollow Larry Starly, ooh, and Iono Billy Bolt EX. Nice. Nice. Now, onto Gundam. Still Rico. Starting off as Janelle Nate, Veterans Tactic, Bondoc, Gundam Carrio's Tail Unit Flight Mode, Uda's Magnetic, G Defensor, Elma Shin, Freedom Gundam Meteor, Petulia, Awkward Approach, Terran Tozaz, Gundam Hujiro Boshi second form, and a gift red resource. Alright guys, that's it for today's Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.